Have you ever seen a cat eating grass and thought, why aren't cats meat eaters? It's a good question, and the answer makes sense. Grass helps cats clean out their stomach, especially when they've swallowed hair. Sometimes it even makes them vomit, which is their natural way of getting rid of what doesn't belong. Grass also has a bit of useful vitamins, and this behavior may come from their wild ancestors. So even though it looks strange, eating grass is just one of the ways cats take care of themselves. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video,